Hello everyone, this is Hassan from Mouthful Economics. In this video, we'll talk about 1-1 function. Now let us have two examples. Say y1 equal to twice x plus 4 and y2 equal to x square. Let us separate this. Here, for the first equation, if x equal to 0, y1 equal to 4, x equal to minus 1, y1 equal to 2, x equal to minus 2, y1 equal to 0, x equal to 1, y1 equal to 6, x equal to 2, y1 equal to 8. Here we see that as value of x increases, value of y1 also increases. So there is a specific relationship. Therefore we can say that this equation y1 equal to twice x plus 4 is a function. Now for the second example, y2 is equal to x square. Here if x equal to 0, y2 equal to 0, x equal to 1, y2 equal to 1, x equal to 2, y2 equal to 4, x equal to minus 1, y2 equal to 1, x equal to minus 2, y2 equal to 4. Here we see that for positive values of a, as x increases, y increases. Again, for negative values of x, as x decreases, y increases. Sorry, y2. Now, though there is no specific relationship, but there are two specific relationships, one for positive values of x, another for negative values of x. So this is also a function. Let us go back to the first example. Here is given y1 is equal to twice x plus 4. If we invert the relationship, meaning here x is the independent variable and y is the dependent variable. Let us make x the dependent variable and y1 the independent variable. So we are given with y1 equal to twice x plus 4. It can be written as twice x is equal to y1 minus 4. X is equal to y1 minus 4 divided by 2. Here we can see that if y1 equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, y1 equal to 4, x equal to 0, y1 equal to minus 4, x is equal to minus 4. Now, here we see that as value of y1 increases, the value of x also increases. So there is a specific relationship. Therefore, it is a function. But here, if we invert this equation, here we are given with y2 is equal to x square, or we can say x is equal to root over y2. Here if y2 is equal to 4, x is equal to 2 and minus 2, y2 equal to 9, x is equal to 3 and minus 3. Here we see that as value of y2 increases, value of x can increase if values of x's are positive, or it might also decrease if values of x are negative. So there is no specific relationship. We can say this is not a function. Now, if any equation is a function and its inverse is also a function, then that function is known as 1, function. But here, this equation is a function, but its inverse is not a function. So, this is not 1, 2, 1. Well, this is all for now. Don't forget to practice. There is one disclaimer though, not a native English speaker, therefore following my grammar and pronunciation is subject to tremendous risk. Anyway, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Want to learn more? Follow the link in the description below. Bye bye.